How to change language on Temu app. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. If you are looking forward to change language on Temu app, fear not, it is pretty simple. All you need to do is basically launch a Temu application in your device. Make sure that your device and Temu is up to date. If you have not signed in into your account, go ahead and sign in firstly. Now to change a language on your Temu app, all you have to do is simply tap on the U icon. Then at the very top you will see the option of settings, click on it. Right over here you should find the option of language. By default it is set as English. Now here are some of the language that you can choose from. Just tap on the designated language. After which you can give a refresh to your Temu app, and just like that you will have the language that you prefer as your default language in your Temu. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.